Well, it's the stuff I can answer and,
Yeah,
and
stuff
the
we
stuff
can't
I'm
talk
not allowed to answer.
Yeah, it's tough. There's a lot of really cool stuff. That's what we can. That's,
Yeah,
I think at
yeah,
least we
yeah.
can say definitely. It's
but
just,
but
yeah,
I
we, of
I
course-
think you're seeing more automation. It's obvious
for sure.
that camera robotics
Yes.
is becoming a much more substantial.
Yes.
When we talked about deterministic content,
Yes.
it's also about deterministic camera movement.
Yeah.
And so it used to be that camera robotics was a very sort of an edge specialty thing. But now I think Nikon bought one of the big companies. I think somebody else bought one of the other ones. These robotic systems are becoming much more standard because they integrate into that 3D volume.
Yeah.
And basically, if you look at any aspect of that volume, innovation is possible.
Yeah.
You know, you have spatialized sound, you have spatialized light, you have spatialized video. It's each one of these things, but it's also the sensors, the camera movement, how the production deals with all these things. That also needs to be spatialized. We need to think about all of these things in a 3D volume. And I mean, you were talking about the computing era, and it's like we're in the spatial computing era. We've been here for a while. And if you look at phones and the amount of sensors on phones or sensors on my watch, all of this is making it more accessible. Just the volume of smartphone sales means the components and the computing is far more accessible for our world, where we borrow technology. We don't tend to invent technology.